We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge, and I'm working with a Brother HL-L6200dw. This printer specifically takes a TN820 or a TN850. The 820 is going to be your low yield. The 850 is your high yield, which comes with more ink. So you have this button right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll open your hatch. Pull this lever. And then what you're going to want to do is separate the toner and the drum. So you have this blue lever right here. If you press that, it'll release your toner. Set your old toner to the side. Unbox your new one. And then just follow your guides. Once you hear it click, you know it's installed correctly. Insert it in your printer. Yet again, once you hear it click, you know it's installed correctly. And then you want to shut your front hatch and you should be good to go. If you guys are in any need of supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.